Hi, today I'm making a creamy, flavorful one-pot broccoli cheddar butter bean dish. Welcome to Cooking Show at Home. As always, you can find the full list of ingredients and exact measurements in the description below. If you enjoy simple, comforting recipes made from wholesome ingredients, please give this video a like and subscribe to the channel. It really helps support my work and lets more people discover these delicious dishes. All right, let's get started. First, finely chop half of a medium onion. Any kind works here, white or yellow. Next, melt 1.5 tablespoons of unsalted butter in a large skillet over medium heat. While the butter is melting, mince 3 cloves of garlic. Add the chopped onion and garlic into the skillet and cook, stirring occasionally until softened, about 2 minutes. Now take about 12 ounces of fresh broccoli and cut it into small, bite-sized pieces. If you're using frozen broccoli, you'll need about 4 cups. Add the broccoli to the skillet. Pour in 1/2 cup vegetable broth, 3/4 cup half and half. Stir everything well and bring it to a gentle boil. Next, add 1/2 teaspoon of ground mustard. I'm using mustard seeds and grinding them fresh with a mortar and pestle, but pre-ground mustard works perfectly too. Now season with 1/2 teaspoon salt, 1/2 teaspoon crushed black pepper. Stir again, cover the skillet, and cook on low heat for about 4 minutes until the broccoli begins to soften. Meanwhile, rinse and drain 1 15-ounce can of butter beans, then add them to the skillet. Bring everything to a lively simmer over medium-high heat and cook for another 2 minutes. Then turn the heat off. Let the dish cool for about 2 minutes, uncovered. Now stir in 3/4 cup shredded sharp cheddar cheese, mixing until it melts into a creamy, cheesy sauce. I like to toast a few slices of sourdough baguette to serve alongside. It's perfect for dipping. And that's it, a cozy, creamy one-pot meal with tender butter beans, broccoli, and rich cheddar flavor. It's filling enough for a main course, packed with plant-based protein, and so comforting for any time of year. Thank you so much for cooking with me today. If you enjoyed this broccoli cheddar butter bean dish, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to Cooking Show at Home, and leave a comment below. I'd love to know how it turned out for you, or what cozy one-pot meal you want to try next. Wishing you a wonderful day, happy cooking, and I'll see you in the next recipe. Bye-bye.